high temperatures. We've been warning you that certain medications can actually make you more sensitive to the heat.
I definitely want to recommend to patients not leaving their medications in the car at all. It's usually hotter in the car than it is outside.
Your car is made for transportation, not storage. Many car owners spend a significant amount of time in their vehicles and prefer to keep essential items like medications, laptops, or cosmetics close at hand, often leaving them in the car while it's parked in a lot or on a side street. In this video, we've compiled a list of items that can pose a risk to your health and safety if stored in a car. Medications. Most medications are meant to be stored in a cool, dark place at temperatures not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. But during the summer, parked cars can heat up quickly. While high temperatures may not make your medicine toxic, they can reduce its effectiveness. Low nighttime temperatures can also degrade medications and, in some cases, make them unsafe. Solid tablets and capsules are generally more stable, but liquids and injectable drugs are more vulnerable to temperature changes and may become chemically unstable. Electronic devices. Gadgets like laptops, phones, and other data storage devices are not only expensive, but also contain valuable, easily stolen information. If you must leave a device unattended, make sure it is password protected and encrypted. Electronics are especially sensitive to heat. Overheating can cause malfunctions or even battery fires. Cold weather can also damage lithium-ion batteries, reducing performance and lifespan. Sunscreen products. Ironically, the active ingredients in sunscreens degrade when exposed to heat. Leaving them in a hot car can reduce their effectiveness, and pressurized containers may even explode. Purse or handbag. Leaving a handbag in plain sight makes your car a target for thieves, even if it's locked and appears empty. It's an open invitation for a break-in. Eyeglasses. Don't leave your sunglasses or prescription glasses in the car. Heat can warp plastic and make metal frames dangerously hot. If left on the dashboard, the windshield can act like a magnifying glass and intensify the heat. Extreme cold can make frames brittle and distort the lenses, resulting in poor visibility, which is a serious safety risk for drivers. Always store glasses in a case or take them home at night. Important documents. If you're carrying personal documents to deliver or send, don't delay. Should someone break into your vehicle, sensitive information could be stolen. If you're stopping somewhere before delivering the documents, take them with you. Never leave your passport in the car, especially when traveling. It's easier to commit identity theft with a passport than with a driver's license. You wouldn't leave expensive jewelry in your car. Your identity is just as valuable. Wine.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yes, you heard right. Wine. Leaving a bottle of wine in a hot car can cause thermal expansion and push the cork out. Overheating will ruin the taste. In winter, the wine might freeze and spoil. Also, avoid placing bottles too close to the car's heater. Water bottles. Plastic bottles can release harmful chemicals like BPA when heated, which have been linked to cancer and heart disease. Partially used bottles left in the heat can become breeding grounds for bacteria. In some cases, sunlight passing through a bottle can create a lens effect, igniting nearby surfaces and causing fires. Soda and carbonated drinks. Frozen sodas expand and build pressure from dissolved carbon dioxide, possibly causing the can to burst or spray when opened. This can damage your car's interior and electronics, another reason to take them out overnight.
So it's 25 degrees outside, just quit snowing. When having a car outside, you do want to make sure you get all sorts of things like carbonated drinks out. I had this left in the back, and little frozen chunks of Diet Right all throughout the back of the car. Fortunately, it's still frozen, so I should be able to brush this out. But yeah, kind of a nasty mess. Just tore a hole through the box, exploded the can. And I gotta get this out of here before it starts to melt.
Musical instruments. Don't leave musical instruments in the car, especially wooden ones like violins, guitars, or cellos. Sudden temperature drops can cause the wood to contract, loosening glue joints and permanently damaging the instrument. Batteries. Cold weather can significantly reduce battery capacity by slowing chemical reactions. Alkaline batteries may even leak or explode. Aerosol cans and lighters. Aerosol cans can become unstable at extreme temperatures. Cold may crack the container while heat can build pressure inside, potentially causing the can to burst or catch fire. This includes deodorants, hairsprays, air fresheners, and more.
The Missouri mother is warning people not to leave aerosol cans in hot cars. That's after one exploded in her daughter's car, damaging the sunroof and leaving broken glass everywhere.
We were all just shocked. We had no idea what happened. We thought maybe something fell from the sky or something like that.
And when they got a look inside, they were still without answers.
It looked like a tornado hit the inside of the car.
Until they realized this white residue was dry shampoo. 50 feet away, they found the bottle that was missing the bottom of the can.
That had happened when she'd gotten in the car after work or gotten in the car to go somewhere. The glass itself would have been devastating.
Christine says the explosion was so powerful her daughter's center console lid had been blown off the hinges.